Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming exactly where the old photos lived, phone internal storage, SD card, or external drive, and stop using that media immediately to avoid overwrites. Once done, install a trusted recovery app and grant it storage and permission access. You'll start an initial scan now. Choose deep or quick based on time. Deep finds more fragments but takes longer. Make sure to select the correct drive and enable preview thumbnails so you can prioritize which files to recover first. You run the deep sector scan and watch progress. This can take from minutes to hours depending on capacity, so be patient. While scanning, apply file type filters for JPG, PNG, hike, and set date ranges to narrow results and reduce noise. Once fragments appear, preview thumbnails and inspect metadata to confirm dates and sizes. Then mark the best quality files for bulk restore. Make sure to restore to a different drive than the source to prevent re-overwriting recoverable data. You finish by restoring selected photos to a different safe drive or directly to cloud storage so the source stays untouched. Once restored, verify that files open correctly. For a few corrupt images, run batch repair or reassembly tools included in the app. If many files fail, switch to an alternate recovery tool or use image carving options and repeat the scan with different settings. If nothing works, stop writing to the device and consider cloning it for professional recovery. This prevents further damage and preserves evidence for specialists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.